show you that you can use paths from Illustrator and use them with the new flame feature in Photoshop CC 2014.2, the October release. So what I'm going to do, just going to go over to the spiral tool in Illustrator. There's a spiral tool there, and just create a path and just do edit, copy, and then go over to Photoshop and edit, paste. Right, I want it as a path, so I'll just select that option. It will eventually, of course you can resize that, and I'm just going to quickly zoom out because I want a navigator. And edit, transform path scale, just drag that down a bit so it actually fits in the approximately in the. Okay, and once you've got that, zoom out a bit again. Now go over to filter, render and flame, just select that. Take a few seconds. It's not particularly long path, but it's once that's done that, it will come up with a dialogue, and there you can see the actual flame. Now one thing that's pity is that you can't actually zoom in on this, so but you can modify the length and various lots and lots of other settings, as well as maybe select there. You've got sort of a dramatic sort of burst out effect that comes out directed. Of course, there's other options here. One flame along the path. You can actually modify that flame so you can get a sort of very unusual blurry effect, multiple flames along the path. That's quite a nice effect as well. It just sort of gives it a sort of, they're all following around each other. So, well, once I've actually decided on that, I can go with that one, and there you will see it's just generating the flame. It's quick progress. Now, you could also apply this actually on a layer, so you can actually move the path. So obviously now I've just actually applied it just to the background layer, so I can't move it. But if I'd actually applied it to a layer, new layer, and then I could of course move that around. And of course I can modify the path and do other things and run it again and create a slightly different flame design. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much. Before I actually go, of course, don't need to actually just spirals either. You can of course use any other paths that are created in Illustrator. That's the key thing as well.